another special unboxing video to do today. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. We got a big one. This is coming from VEVOR. VEVOR. Check them out. Affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe and staying cool. Definitely it's going to be a warm week for this Monday. Oh, there we go. Not sure what this is. Should be exciting though. Oh man. There we go. Alright. We got another box. Alrighty guys, we got it out of the box and here we go. Ooh la la. See, VEVOR. Check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. They have tons of stuff from food industry, slushy machines, donut makers such as this, or a waffle maker, whatever you want to call it. Bada boom. We got 369. 369. So we got 9 donut holes you can make. Got it perfect. I would clean it out before use, just in case. You never know. I got that though. Really nice. Got the power cord down there. Next time you're gonna see us, we'll be in the kitchen. I just gotta prep the batter and then start baking. Definitely excited to try this out. Never had a donut machine till now, so thank you guys at VEVOR. I think these are cleaning pads. Nice Barbie sparkle. Got another. There we go. We get the good stuff. So there we go. Got the little whisk, you know. Whisk, 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 whisk. You got the mini tongs. Tong. That's really cool. And you got the brush to brush your donuts. You know, like the frosting and stuff like that. Just a nice little smooth brush on the big donuts, you know? Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wipe this down. I don't know what to say, but definitely should be exciting. Can't wait to see how the donuts turn out. And I got that Pillsbury new one. They have the new donuts, the ones in the box. So I'm gonna use that mix and then use this machine after I clean it out. So definitely check back in a second. Grab some popcorn. We'll be right back. Guys, here we go. We got it all set up. Just gotta figure out the right temperature to set at. Up to 338 degrees or 482 all the way down at the bottom. Shows really nice. Looks good. Got everything ready. And here we go. Alright guys, now we got it set to the max. We got a timer going. And next up after this, we'll show how they look. But pretty much got them all lined up, ready to roll. Alright, be back. Here we go guys, look at this. Bada boom. Got them all done. There you go. Alright YouTubers, here it is, the final part. We got it made. Look at that. Oh baby. Kind of look like a sponge cake. Nice and warm, so like I said, be careful that it's going to be nice and hot. And it only took a few minutes, so definitely maybe something new for this holiday season. You could do some baking during their snow days and whatnot. Alright YouTubers, you guys be safe, have a good night. Check them out, VEVOR. See ya.